What's up, guys? Pluffy G here, back with another awesome video. We've got 4 Dollar Tree booster packs today. 3 additional game cards in each booster pack, so let's get into it. We're going to open up all of them in this video. So, the different types of cards or booster packs we have is a Breakthrough, Breakpoint, Roaring Skies, and an Ancient Origins. Sorry. We're going to get into the Ancient Origins pack for this one. Great, I tried to open it and it didn't want to open. See, it didn't actually open up the booster pack. Let me see if I can get it open. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Why can't I get this open? Okay. Let me get scissors. 1 second. Right back here. Okay. I'm gonna cut the pack open. Wait, let me make sure the cards aren't here. Okay, good. There we go. Got the cards here. And yeah. Here's the little, like, online thing. There's no code or anything, but, we've got a Golurk. Ooh, it's a pass for it, like, and yo, I got a good card! I got a Giratina EX! Giratina EX, guys. That's a good pull, but we still have 3 more packs to go. That was our first booster pack. XY Roaring Skies, here we come. Let's get that Shaman EX full art. Online code thing again. Then we've got a Nincada, ooh, a Scolipede, and a Wurmple. That's actually a pretty good pack. So we got a Nincada and the 2 evolution Pokemon, the Wurmple and the Scolipede. I don't know how to say that. Next pack, the Breakpoint booster pack. What's good is that we have scissors here because I can't seem to get it open in this one. There we go. Got it. Online code. And by the way, those don't have code cards actually in them. So, a Growlithe. Ooh, a Puzzle of Time. And, ooh, an Esper, one of my favorite Pokemon. And last booster pack. Sadly, the last one. But it's an XY Breakthrough. So let's get into it. I'm going to cut open the booster pack. There we go. Wow, this really won't get open. There we go. Online code. And then we've got a Spritzy. A Floatstone. That's a good card. And a Remoraid. Wow. That is like the best art of Remoraid ever. That is so cute. But the highlight of this video is, of course, the Giratina EX. That is a awesome looking card. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. Sorry there was no code cards because these are just like, watch TV. Okay. So I hope you guys like the video. Bye.